Sure, my wife and I were going to a wedding up in South Carolina, and this gentleman tried to circumvent the stoplight at the intersection and basically broadsided us, and we were not able to make it up to the wedding. We heard about you. My wife got a turkey for Thanksgiving one year, and from your law firm. So she remembered that, and she said, you know what, I'm going to call Brooks Law Firm, and we're both awfully glad that she did that, because I honestly, if I would have just dealt with just the insurance company myself, would not have gotten anywhere. Oh, excellent, excellent. No, you're easy to get to. You know, the minute you want, if I call or text, I swear it's a minute or late or two later, you guys are already calling me right back, answering the questions that I have. So we came in, we talked to Richard, and I swear it was like talking to an uncle. You know, he put us, both me and my wife, at ease when we were talking to him, that I almost forgot what I came in to talk about. So he's very good. Oh, absolutely, without hesitation. If I hadn't had you guys, I wouldn't have known what to do next. I would have just said, oh, well, that's what they're going to offer, and that's what I have to take. And I'm glad we didn't settle for that.